A jury is now seated and sworn in for Lori Vallow Daybell's first murder conspiracy trial here in Arizona. The so-called Doomsday Mom, already convicted of killing her young children in Idaho, she's doing a life sentence for that. But now she's standing trial accused of plotting to kill her former husband in Chandler.
BI Team's Erica Stapleton has been on this case from the very beginning. And Erica, it's going to be all eyes on Lori Vallow Daybell, who is representing herself. You've been in the courtroom, you've witnessed her. What are your impressions of her?
Yeah, well, Troy Caribe, this case has been high profile for the past 5 years, and we're expecting a lot of attention come Monday when opening statements start. I spoke with one of the prosecutors from Idaho who said it's hard not to watch when you see a mother behave, quote, so evilly. Explosive buildup.
I feel like the state is trying to say, okay, if you want your speedy trial, guess what? We're not going to let you defend yourself.
As Lori Vallow Daybell gears up for opening statements in her first trial in Arizona, the Doomsday Mom is already convicted in Idaho of killing her children, Tylee and JJ. In her first Arizona trial, she's accused of conspiring to kill her former husband, Charles Vallow, so she can be with her current husband, Chad Daybell. She's pleaded not guilty, and she's representing herself.
Lori Vallow is fundamentally a narcissist. I'm not surprised at all that she is attempting to represent herself.
Rachel Smith was a prosecutor on Vallow Daybell's murder trial in Idaho.
The most powerful evidence applies to all the victims, but we'll see a very different case, I think. It'll be very focused on Arizona, what happened there, and Charles Vallow.
Charles Vallow warned police about his wife's darkening religious beliefs that are ultimately the core of this case. But in 2019, Lori's brother, Alex Cox, shot Charles Vallow dead at the family's home in Chandler.
Yeah, there's blood. He's not moving.
Prosecutors argue that Lori conspired with her brother to kill him. Cox can't be charged because he died, reportedly of natural causes, before this case was brought in court. Through hearings and court motions, we're expecting Vallow Daybell to bring up self-defense.
Many pro se defendants act as if there's some grand conspiracy to get them, or at least that's the narrative they try to paint.
Lori's husband, Chad Daybell, was also convicted in Idaho for murdering Lori's kids and his first wife, Tammy. He was sentenced to death in that state. Lori got life in prison and will go back there once her cases in Arizona play out.
We will see the impact that Lori Vallow, Chad had on multiple lives coming out of this trial. And sadly, we're going to see that Charles' effort to get her help and his effort to deal with it failed, and it cost him his life.
Lori Vallow Daybell's second trial in Arizona is also a murder conspiracy case where she's accused of plotting to kill her niece's ex-husband, who ultimately was not injured. Opening statements for her first Arizona trial are scheduled to start Monday morning. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
Thank you, Erica. And yeah, it'll be tough to get down there into that courthouse, but you can watch this trial gavel to gavel if you're interested in watching her defend herself or watch her get convicted or acquitted, whatever you're looking for here. We are streaming the opening statements and the rest of the trial exclusively on our streaming app, 12 Plus. That's for your TV. So download the app on your TV, watch it for free. We'll have daily recap and analysis shows about what happened inside the courtroom. So again, that's exclusively on our streaming app. Download it now, 12 Plus.